family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we still sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We have a new fragrance. Well, not a full bottle, but we have a new travel size from Scentbird. Yes, we have Shay in blue, and this is Tonka Angelica. Yes, so I've seen this on Scentbird. Yes, but what sparked my interest was the tonka bean. Okay, I love tonka bean. Does anybody love that nutty note of tonka bean? I've absolutely enjoyed that with a lot of different fragrances in my collection, and I am pretty familiar with Shay in blue, and they give a very realistic fragrance notes. So couple of things I have from them, and we've talked about it before on this channel, but I have salt caramel. Okay, now this thing is caramel on top of caramel with salt. This is so realistic and very sappy and thick, very sweet. Okay, so if you do not like a good caramel salty note or a salty fragrance, you will not get along with this. This is not your jam. This profile is straight up what it says, which is salt and caramel. But I absolutely adore this. I cannot spray this or overspray this. This is not the time for this. You know, I always talk about there is a time for everything, and overspraying this is not it. But I do enjoy this. I do enjoy the sappiness, the sweetness, the salty. I enjoy this fragrance, right? So I do have that from Shay in Blue, which I've purchased on Lucky Scent, I believe it was, if I'm not mistaken. Also, I purchased from Lucky Scent was watermelons, okay? And this fragrance is a watery watermelon. So if you're looking for a good, realistic watermelon, a juicy but watery watermelon, this is your jam. I feel like this can be unisex. It is so good. It gives really good depth, very good watermelon. I enjoy this in the spring and summer, but you absolutely can wear this in the winter. But I do enjoy these fragrances and this brand. So the notes in these fragrances and what they're trying to portray is very dominant. Watermelon, salty caramel. And so I wanted to see what this was all about because I do like a good tonka. So let's get into my thoughts on this lovely travel size from Scentbird. So you all know how we do here. Let's start off with versatility. Do I think this fragrance is versatile? The jury's still out on that. I do think this is very heavy spring. Maybe not summer, but fall. I'm thinking spring and fall are really my seasons that I would be checking for this fragrance. So I don't think it's across the board like a signature scent or versatile that you can wear in all different settings, right? And so let's get into the occasion. What occasion would I wear this to? For me, this would be like a picnic in a park, right? This will be an outdoor fragrance, a carnival maybe, a outside date, maybe even if I'm running in the park, running on the beach. No, I ain't got no beaches in Tennessee, but running in the park, something like that. Very casual. I can see you wearing this to work. I can see you wearing this to church. So the occasion can be versatile, but season or seasonality, and I know people are real funny about talking about that, but for me, that's kind of where I categorize things. Yeah, I think spring and fall, miss me on summer, but picnic in a park, this fragrance is a goer. Now packaging. I feel like just with the picture, it's giving me a green juice bottle. This is blue for the watermelon, and this is definitely brown caramel-y looking, right? So this is giving me that it's green, which makes sense for my real thoughts, and we'll get into that shortly. But yeah, same bottle, and I don't mind this bottle. I think it's very simplistic. It looks simplistic on your dresser. I think it would go with anything you have going on if that's your type of vibe, to be aesthetically pleasing. I think that would be good, but I enjoy the bottle. It's not a magnetic top in packaging, but it fits secure. So like if you were to like bend, move, shake, I don't think the top will just fly off. It's a very secure top. It almost reminds you like it makes the feeling like it's magnetic, but it's not. I don't think it is. But packaging, I do like it. It's not over the top. Now pricing, I see this on their site for $90. So I would say comparison to most, I don't have a problem with the pricing, but let me know what your thoughts are. So these are 100 ml for $90. Yeah, you be the judge. I mean, I think there's worse out there. Now, sis, does this lean more feminine or masculine in your opinion? I think this is pretty much unisex. I feel like a man can vibe with this, men folks, and I feel like my sisters, you can also vibe with this. So it's definitely unisex. Anyone can get along with this. Now, do you want to get along is the question, but let's get into it. Now, this was launched back in 2022, but let's get into the notes. So notes we have on here is Angelica. Looks like that's kind of like a floral, almost looks like baby's breath. That's what it reminds me of in this picture. Anyway, we have heliotrope, we have osmanthus, and we have tonka cream, or I would have thought that was a tonka bean, but tonka cream. We'll go with that. So, what are my real thoughts, you might ask? Yeah, let's get into it. We got all that out the way. All right, yeah. So, to me, this fragrance is very moderate projecting. This does not announce your presence coming in the door, but will someone smell you? Yeah, I think someone would smell you. This is a very musky, fresh, green, okay? That's what I got from this fragrance. It is very, and that's why I said we'll get into the green in the bottle. It gives me a very green feel, like stems, like the flowers are in there, cool, yes, but also the stems are included in there. So it's a very green, musky. It even gives me a little ambery tonka in there, like very warm greenness. But would I purchase a full bottle of this? Honestly, I actually would. Now, I'm not going to be running off the mountain, jumping, swimming through the streams in order to get this fragrance. No. Would I add it to my wish list? Absolutely. But I will say this is definitely for a particular season, like the spring and fall. I can definitely not see myself wearing this in the summer. I feel like it would give me a headache. And in the winter, I don't know. I feel like it will get lost in the sauce in the winter season, the real cold season. Rainy days, cool. I think I'm good. I think I would be good on a rainy day. But to me, if you like, and this is not a dupe of that, but if you like Paragon, that I talk about all the time, or if you have Vintage Radio that I talk about all the time, or a dupe similar to Inicio's Paragon, right? It gives me that type of vibe. Very spa, fresh, green. But with that tonka bean, it also adds that sweetness to me, in my opinion. It adds a little bit more warmness, and it not being like green running through the trees in the forest and knocking down the trees and then under the bridge. I don't know how we got to the bridge and the tree. It's okay. Be in my mind if you want to, and you figure it out. But it's okay. That is what I am getting from this. So I don't know if you've ever experienced this. I would love to know your thoughts. Did I get compliments? No. But did I wear this outside? No. So maybe that's probably why I didn't get compliments, but I complimented myself. I thought I smelled good, but it did give me a fresh, green, musky, amber warm take, okay? I will wear it out. I'll continue to wear it. I'll come back to you all, give you some more thoughts. But for me, I would definitely add this to the wish list. Again, I'm not running out and hunting for this. But it is great for spring. So if you're looking for that type of vibe, pick this up. You might have a fragrance in this. See if you would like it. But if you're looking for a watermelon, if you're looking for a sappy, sweet, salty caramel fragrance, this house is very good. I would highly recommend. I have enjoyed having them in my collection. And I have 2, so maybe I need to have 3. Well, family, let me know. Do you have any Shay and Blue fragrances? I would love to know your thoughts. Love to know your thoughts on the brand. Comment down below, okay? Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. And yeah, I would like to get to know you and meet you. So hit up that comment section. Make sure, family, that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.